There's about 1.2 billion smokers globally, and we know that our products and our delivery systems has a role to play to help these people to a healthier lifestyle. Fertin Pharma is a contract development and manufacturing organization that provides the consumer and the patient with pleasurable and convenient, discreet, efficient delivery systems. We came out of riding on the back of the smoking cessation waves around the world, developed the first nicotine-containing gum back in 1995. Our mission is to support healthier living. We truly believe that we have capabilities and skills and technologies that can contribute to the patient as well as the consumer. That's whether it's getting out of an addiction like tobacco, or it's getting your supplements, or treating your allergy, or whatever it could be. Our vision, so to speak, is to make convenient drug delivery simple. We strongly believe that the more convenient, the more pleasurable you can make the drug delivery system, the better adherence to treatment and the better efficacy the patient or the consumer will experience.
When you talk about nicotine in general, taking it as part of nicotine replacement therapy, it's incredibly relevant for us to design and do products that are pleasant to use, because at the end of the day, the pleasance and the fact that you have a sort of good mouthfeel and you're comfortable taking the product that you are, enables you to, or gives us ultimately better efficacy of the product. And I think our focus on that, on driving a good sensory experience as well as understanding what the active pharmaceutical ingredients does, really gives us an edge. And I think we're very committed to that. I think we're dealing a lot with consumers that are ex-smokers. They're not sick or they don't have a disease, they just have a bad habit. And in trying to change that, we need to develop something that's intuitive for them and that also has as little social friction as possible. Nicotine replacement therapy, as we know today, is basically a known concept in most mature markets. So in the US and Europe, we've been used to chewing gum for many years. If we look at emerging markets, if we look at China, India, Latin America, there's probably 1 billion smokers out there that are basically without any sort of pharmaceutical means to quit smoking. I think our challenge in that context will not only be designing products that are in line with what we've done here historically, it's also to understand what's a consumption pattern that's relevant in India, or why would a native Chinese want to do a chewing gum? What's the flavor? What's the sensory experience? And I think these are questions that drive me.
So what we've been looking for over the years is to have basically a second delivery system that would provide us some of the benefits that gum cannot provide. That was what we succeeded doing about 3 years ago in the lab, innovating the Sapli platform.
Sapli is the latest innovative product we have made in R&D in Fertin Pharma. It was developed by our innovation team, where we were looking for new mouth sensations. Fertin have specialized into doing not only a single compressed layer product, but can doing multi-layered products. Sapli is a further innovation, you can say, because by Sapli we have a new mouthfeel sensation and we have a new way of actually delivering actives. It's a 2-layer tablet, as it is today. You chew it for 10 to 20 seconds and then it rapidly liquefies, which is easy being swallowed like a sip of water. The way that we are combining the ingredients, and we're actually working a little against the nature in order for the product to dissolve as fast and to disintegrate so fast, so you actually create this liquid in your mouth. Elderly people who sometimes suffers for dry mouth, Sapli could be an excellent format for those patients because it's much easier to swallow. I see Sapli could be a mom's first choice because it's easier to get the children to chew a pleasant tablet compared to swallowing a pill. And the mom can also be safe that it's actually the whole dose is being swallowed compared to, for example, a liquid they need to swallow. It could be used for over-the-counter pharmaceuticals like pain killers or cough and cold products. We have proven that we can do this, but it's not easy. We have worked with this for a long time and used a lot of resources, but we did it. And we have learned a lot, and we are sure we can do it in the future on all kinds of formats.
I think what's really rewarding of working in a company like Fertin with the mission and vision we have, and all the great people and the technologies we have available, is that we can make a difference for the individual. We focus on providing the patient and the consumer a more pleasurable, more convenient and efficient way of receiving treatment. And looking into a new field, the medical cannabis field, we know our technologies are well suited for that, and we believe there's a lot of people with needs that can be catered to by proper pharmaceutical developed cannabis products, and we have a role to play there. Every year we help about 150,000 smokers out of a very dangerous habit. Now they get better quality of life and they get longer lives. That's extremely motivating.